What are the parts of a transfer case? Common parts in a transfer case include bearings, gears, shafts, flanges, and the transfer case housing. Seals, gaskets, and O-rings ensure the complete transfer case is properly sealed to hold transfer case oil and that parts fit together smoothly and soundly. A transfer case is a type of gearbox that is used to transfer power from the engine to the wheels. It is usually located at the rear of the engine, and it consists of two parts, the transmission and the differential.
Dito, mali yung sali ng gate oil. Linis, oh. Kaya nasira.
What is the function of a transfer case if you have four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive a WD in your vehicle? The transfer box is going to be part of the drivetrain. Its role is to transfer power between the axles to help the vehicle get maximum traction on wet, snowy, or icy roads. What are the different types of transfer cases? There are four primary kinds of transfer cases that you should know. They are the part-time for wheel drive, full-time for wheel drive, active for wheel drive, and all-wheel drive. Can a car run without a transfer case? Without a transfer case, your car or truck would not be able to switch from two-wheel to four-wheel drive mode. What causes transfer case failure? Commonly, a transfer case will fail due to a low fluid level caused by leaks, a lack of maintenance, or regular wear and tear. It's important to address fluid leaks right away to prevent internal transfer case damage. Changing the transfer case fluid on a regular BA. What are the three types of transfer cases? The three basic types of transfer cases are part-time for WD, full-time for WD, and active for WD. Part-time for WD is the most common type of transfer case. It allows you to operate the vehicle in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high range, full high, and four-wheel drive. What is transfer case maintenance? The transfer case is serviced by periodically draining its fluid and replacing it with fresh fluid. We also check for leaks and damage. Transfer case fluid cools and lubricates the gears, chains, bearings, shafts, and other parts. Over time, the additives in the fluid. Can you drive with a damaged transfer case? Should you drive your car with a bad transfer case? Driving your car with a bad transfer case is a bad idea. If you continue to drive with a transfer case that has a serious mechanical problem, you could destroy it beyond the point of repair and possibly
https://youtube.com/HMX43TV https://youtube.com and that
hanapan kung may bungi
9076 https://youtube.com/HMXblog
https://youtube.com/PH2KLTV https://youtube.com https://youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/youtube.com/ live https://youtube.com/@BetElizaVA.